Dithekisi di dirisiwa ke batho ba le bantsi. Fela indasteri eno e ntse le dikgotlang di le dintsi mo malobeng, mo batho ba le bantsi ba latlhegetsweng ke matshelo. Lenane la go baya setheo seno ka fa taolong le tsweletse le fa go se bonolo.
The finishing line is formalization. It's big. You understand what we're dealing with there. we're trampling on toes of people who have benefited out of the system. I mean, Minister Mboweni the other day was speaking that taxi industry contribute 5 million only, but it's a 40 billion rand industry.
Mo ngwageng o fetileng, kopano e ka ga merero ya dithekisi e ne ya tshwarwa go sekaseka dintlha tse di amanang le tirisano mmogo le boeteledipele mo indastering.
We have a task team that is implementing the resolution. It's not easy. There's divisions in the taxi industry. So I've just finished now with the eminent persons. I will also be announcing that group in the next coming weeks.
Makgotla mangwe a dithekisi a amogetse seno.
The talks are ongoing, and we are hopeful that these talks will bear the necessary positive outcomes. We will stay engaging with the minister until we find each other and reach amicable solutions.
There are efforts from all angles, and of course, because it's a process, there is bound to be areas of differences, but what is important is that parties converge and address those issues, and because they share a common purpose, they are able to find an amicable solution in that regard.
Lenane leno le tle go thusa gape badirisi ba ditekisi.
For the government to river touche, it means but to decrease the price.
Unfair footy for abantu bama the owners sama tax because nabo angithi abantu baphelelwa umsebenzi left and right, so nabo iyabashaya too much.
Go le jalo ntlha ya phokoletso ya dituelo e santse e buisanelwa. Molemo wa motho SABC News, Pretoria.